My name's Stephanie Hadachek, and I'm the founder of This One's for the Gals. And I would like to welcome you all to the 2024 Rio Grande Valley Women in Industry Career and Education Expo. You have an assignment. I want you to leave here on fire, knowing you are unstoppable.
We're the fighters. We won't stop, won't quit no matter the cost. We keep keeping on. We're the dreamers. We push through the darkness with all that we've got. We keep keeping on.
So when you walk out of the doors, you turn to the right. On this side is our Career Expo, where all of our industry partners are. Our education side, and our education is walk out, goes to the left, and it'll be on this side, okay?
Hold your head up high. This is our time. Hold your head up high. This is our time. Together we will rise, step into the light. We were born to come alive. Hold your head up high. This is our time. This is our reaching higher, always up. Keep climbing until we're on top. Leave the shadows below. But oh my, we've made it to